Welcome back to this video. If you want to make a PDF on your phone and without installing any apps, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see two possible ways to make PDF without installing apps on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very second one I want to show you on how to make PDF on your phone is to use Google Drive. So what you want to do is to click on Google Drive right here. After you click on your Google Drive, next thing you need to do is to click on this camera icon. Then position the document. Once you're satisfied, click on Snap to snap the document. Automatically, it takes you right here. You can add some effect into the document by clicking on Filter right here. I'm going to click on Filter. So under the filter, you can apply color. So you can swipe this way. You can turn it to black and white. Everything depends on what exactly you want to achieve. Once you are satisfied with the color enhancement, click on Apply. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on Done right here. That's going to take you right here. Now by default, you have it as PDF. Next thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here and click on Save. One file has been successfully uploaded, so you are done with that. Let's take a look at the very first one on how to make a PDF with your phone without installing apps. The very first one I want to show you here is Google by File. So I'm going to come to the search right here on my phone. I will type in File. Then you have this right here. So click on that. So click on Files. The after click on Files is open up like so. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. Then position the camera on the document. Then hit on the camera to snap. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on Done. Then save file successful in scan folder. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on the scan folder right here. Then you have it right here as PDF. Alternatively, you can simply click on Document right here. Then you have it right here, scan as PDF file format, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So basically, these are two possible ways to make PDF without installing apps on your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.